Good afternoon, this is Shanna Wolfenden, the Assistant Director at Children's Lighthouse Learning Center in Winter Garden, Florida. Today we're going into our Infant 2 classroom, which is 7 months to 12 months, where Miss Tiffany will demonstrate the proper diaper changing procedures that we follow here at Children's Lighthouse. Miss Tiffany's behind our diaper changing station, and she's going to show you how this procedure goes.
First, I put on my gloves to prevent germs. I have my supplies out. I wipe the baby. I wrap my wipe up in my diaper. I fold my gloves over my diaper. Put my diaper in the waste bin. Put my diaper, clean diaper on the baby. And I wash baby's hands. D-E-F-G-H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z. Dry baby's hands. Turn the sink off with a towel. And spray down my changing table. And then I let it sit for 2 minutes and come back and wipe it down. Such a happy baby.
The baby is put in their crib, and each baby has their own crib that's labeled with their name.
I wipe down the changing table and I complete my baby changing process.
And after that, Miss Tiffany will write down on the daily communication paper what type of diaper the baby had. That way Mom and Dad can know when they pick up how their day went as far as for diapering goes. Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call. Children's Lighthouse in Winter Garden, Florida, 407-395-0077. Thank you.